quiet down here. A little seal action. Hurry ass monkey. Don't want to be monkeying around. Hauling butt. That's kind of interesting. Big piece of plastic. Well, here we are. Solo overnight camping, survival style. The beautiful estates of Tweaker Del Mar. We got beer today. The 49th state. 907 Pale Ale. Named for our area code and brewed with Alaskan wheat as a homage to our great state. 907 is bursting with intense tropical notes of tangerine, ripe pineapple, and acacia berry. Crisp, effervescent, and perfectly balanced. 907 is the perfect companion to any Alaskan adventure. And here we are adventuring. Damn. Talk about Providence. We got, 5.2. IBU 25. What the fuck is IBU? Serve between 40 and 45 degrees. That's F. Though 40 to 45 C is passable if that's all you got. It is citrusy. Pretty hoppy. Tropical, crisp, and crushable. Damn. How bizarre. It doesn't look like our regular barge. The tugboat's the same tugboat. Pretty quiet for a Friday.
So, should have listened. Let her go on her own, and she was doing good. Because every time I see her go towards the dead dog salmon, I was like, Peach, get away from that. I got distracted for about 30 seconds.
And bam!
Turned around, she was all doing this number on a rock on something. I was, Peach, get back here.
There she is.
I thought I stopped her before she got to it.
She's eating grass.
Didn't notice until I put her in the car and was rolling down the road. Oh my God! The nastiest dog she could have found.
They don't make them like they used to. Kids these days. some serious business. Here we are, survived the night. Yeah, we got breakfast of champions, coffee and cognac. So, it's game over, man. Ran out of beer a long time ago. Oh. Boy, send a chill up your spine. But yeah. I'm gonna pack up. Had to set up my tarp here. Got a good little sucker hole. Yamaha.